Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: power, microphone, camera, and a stable internet connection. Once done, plug components and open the Ova News Kit app to sign in. You should run the built-in hardware auto check so the kit detects devices and suggests firmware updates. This prevents audio glitches later. Make sure the camera angle and mic gain are roughly set now, because initial calibration saves time when you move into scene configuration and live mixing. Now you assign camera feeds to scene slots, add overlays like lower thirds, and align graphics to safe areas. While doing this, route audio sources and set levels. Use the noise gate and compressor to keep voices consistent. Once your layers are arranged, create transitions and save presets so you can recall looks fast. You should run a short practice switching session while recording locally to validate sync and make small timing adjustments before going live. You're ready to go live after confirming the stream key, bitrate, and destination. Do a private test stream first to ensure settings hold. While live, monitor stream health, CPU load, dropped frames, and audio peaks so you can react quickly. Use on-screen meters and the status panel. If a problem occurs, first restart the specific offending source or swap to a backup. Otherwise, reduce bitrate or switch to wired network. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind: check cables and power before deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.